The camcorder. Dad bought a camcorder. The children had a race. Dad made a video. Smile, everyone, said Dad. Dad went to the sports day. He took the camcorder. He made a video of Wilma.
Very good.
It was Joe's wedding. Dad took the camcorder. He made a video of the wedding. It was Mum's and Dad's anniversary. Wilma wanted to make a video. Dad showed Wilma the camcorder. It's easy, he said.
Very good video. Very nice.
Wilma made the video. It's easy, she said. Smile, please, said Will. The children watched the race. They saw the sports day. They looked at Joe's wedding. They lied. Laughed at Wilma's video. Because see them. See their faces. They went to the tree house. Wilma wanted to make a video. Dad let her see the camcorder. Wilma made the video.
Read nicely. Don't read like a robot.
She saw two men. They were burglars. The burglars were running away. The burglars are running away. Wilma made a video of them. Call the police, she shouted.
When you shouted, you shouted like, call the police, or you
call the police,
yeah.
She shouted.
More expression, isn't it?
Dad got the phone. He pointed. He phoned the police because Wilma got the burglars on video. The police came. They looked at the video. Well done, they said. The police couldn't caught the burglars. Thanks to Wilma, said Dad.
Well done, girl.